So if you've been subscribed to the channel, then you would have seen our previous video, which is right here, and that is fast and easy Windows 10 or 11 memory leak fix, where I outline for you a product that we have developed that will run memory diagnostic checks and see if you have any programs or processes or background applications that are leaking any memory out. And that video explained how to use the program to find any leaks. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how that program got developed and how it actually saved my computer. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and explain to you what was going on. I don't have a whole lot of time to work on my computer. In fact, I custom built my computer to be able to withstand several weeks of being on without having a break, simply because I never know when the next time I can get to sit down and actually work on my products can be. We're running 24 threaded cores of processing power and a lot of RAM, which we're running almost 100 gigs of RAM. We're at 96 gigs right now, because I want my computer to stay on non-stop, because if I'm in the middle of working on something, I want to be able to save it, walk away, come back 2 days later, and have everything right there ready to go again. So because of that, I needed to have all that memory and processing power available. About 2 months ago, I popped on my computer, noticed that it was lagging, which has never happened. Okay, I built the computer like a year and a half ago, so we're going on 2 years. The computer's basically been running non-stop for 2 years. And for the first time, it started to lag. And I was like, what's going on here? So I looked at the task manager and I realized that of my 96 gigs of RAM, almost 70 gigs of it was being used up in memory. And I was like, what's going on? That makes absolutely no sense. Now, I don't have any video footage of this because at the time I was like, this is stupid. This isn't right. You know, something's going on here. So once I did the basic stuff that you're supposed to do, check it and make sure everything's running fine. I closed everything out, reset all the RAM settings, cleared out the temporary history, all this other stuff that you're supposed to do normally anyway whenever you restart your computer. I turned it back on, and that's when I start recording. And I noticed that I was hitting at about 38 to 42%, which is roughly 35 to 40 gigs of RAM. So I started going through the process of looking at all of my processes the program is running in the background, and I noticed something. They were all normal. I was like, okay, because that's typically where your memory leaks happen. Typically it's viruses or malware, but in this case, there was none. And well, then we'll go through the background processes, the services. So we went through every one of those. And I also realized that is not the issue either, because every one of those is running the way it's supposed to. And then I started thinking, I have just spent 2 weeks diagnosing this problem. I've went through every one of these. Why did I do that? I'm a computer programmer. I can have this set up automatically. For anyone who is not familiar with that process, what you have to do is you have to go in, specifically select what you want to end it, go back, check the memory output, see if it changed and how much it changed by, figure out if it changed by a significant enough amount to warrant there being a leak, and then if it didn't, then go back and turn it on. Once you go through that, then you have to go through the drivers, then you have to go through the boot up processes, and each one of those is at least a day, maybe 2 days of going in, testing, restarting your computer, booting it back up, seeing if it changed, doing it all over again, turning it back on, and then resetting it again. There is nothing online to solve this issue for the regular user who just has a computer that's running slow. So I decided to make one. And using this program, it saved me so much time. I probably saved 2 weeks, if not 3 weeks, of searching, disabling, enabling, just to see this operate like that. And I cannot tell you how much this has helped, simply because, well, as you can see here, my previous memory consumption was at 37.8 gigs, 39% of my memory. That is at Windows startup, nothing else running other than my video recording software. And then after I did all the fixes inside of the program, and we programmed it and we ran it on the machine, that got reduced down to 4.1 gigs, or 4% of my memory. That is a huge change. And not only that, it took maybe a minute, 2 restarts, software update, that's it. So I saved probably 2 weeks, maybe even 3 weeks of me just going in and disabling stuff with this one program. Not only that, it saved my computer, because running with that much memory as a resource and a pool was chugging my computer. Like, seriously, it was to the point to where I thought there's nothing left of my computer. I was like, I'm gonna have to reformat the whole thing just so I can figure out what's going on, and that's a pain in the butt. This one program not only saved me weeks, but also saved me a multi-$1,000 computer. So if you're having memory leak issues, give this a try. And like I mentioned to you before, we're still developing it. We'll just have to test the waters, see what people think about it. But if you're interested in acquiring this program, check the link down below. Maybe it'll help you out. I know it sure helped me, and it saved me a lot of time and money in repairing my computer. So thank you all very much. Hope this video was helpful. Have a great rest of your day. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.